Sir, I am Cadet Devansh of class 7th A. Today I am going to speak a few words on rainbow food. Eating a rainbow of colors in your meals will increase your lifespan and strengthen your overall health. Colorful fruits and vegetables contain phytonutrients and, and compounds that give them a rich color and a distinctive taste. This attempt will help students to eat a balanced diet with a plenty of fruits and vegetables. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Jain sir, I am Cadet G. Ponach of class 7th B, Shatan House. Today's my topic is about purple food. I want to tell some examples of purple food. They are purple cabbage, purple carrot and blueberries. I want to tell of one of them, that is blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which may protect cell damage and the chronic disease. Blueberries also help in it may also help in play a role in reducing inflammation, supporting skin health and boosting the immune system. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I am Cadet C. Kamleshwar of class 7B, Birmingham. Today's my topic is about yellow foods. Now I am going to tell some examples of yellow foods. Yellow foods: banana, lemon and pineapple. Now I am going to tell one example of yellow foods, that is banana. Bananas are a good source of potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6 and fiber. Bananas provide quick and sustained energy boost due to their carbohydrate content.
Jain sir, I am Cadet Einstein from 7B, Birmingham. Today's my topic is about red food. Examples of red foods are red apples, pomegranate, strawberries, watermelon and etc. In that I take part of red apples. Red apples are a good source of vitamins, fiber and antioxidants. Apples can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Apples contains various antioxidants that can protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Thank you.
Jain sir, I am Cadet C. of 7th Chalkyas. Today I am going to tell about green food. Examples are broccoli, spinach, cucumber and kiwi. Today I want to say about broccoli. Broccoli can loosen cholesterol and be blood pressure and have some vitamin C and calcium. Both are essential for strong bones. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Jain to one and all, I am Cadet Atho Nirbhay Singh from 8th B of SAINIK school, RUKMAPUR. Now I want to speak about orange food items. Some examples of orange food items are pumpkin, apricot, mango and orange. I want to speak a few words about orange. Oranges are very yummy and delicious fruits to eat. Oranges are very excellent source of vitamin C and they are very rich in antioxidants. Oranges keep our body very healthy. Thank you. Have a nice day.